today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default export file type on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab at the top left, and then go down and select Preferences. And now on the left panel, select Image, Import, and Export. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down here. Underneath Export File Type, Default Export File Type, click the drop-down and you can select from any of the options here, like a JPEG or PNG or a Photoshop image, for example. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.